Hey guys, we're gonna be going over to Subway City. Let's go. Alright guys, entering it right now. We're on the subway. Train tracks. Let's go. Alright guys, you know where I wanna go? My arm! Okay, we're good. I'll show you where I want to go. I want to go on the tippity top of that building. Wait, you can't see it. That big building. Let's go. Boom. All right. There the building is. Oh goodness. Alright. Oh, there's a rope right here. If you like that video, hit that follow button and like and subscribe. Let's go!